What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Doge. This is Gavin, and today I'm going to be going over my price prediction for Dogecoin in the next few months. And let me tell you guys, I am really excited about this. So let's get right into it. So I've got the Dogecoin chart pulled up here, and as you can see, Dogecoin sitting at 24 cents today. And the reason why I really like how it looks today, and I'll show you guys, we have a bullish divergence going on in the charts. And basically what that means is we've got the price is decreasing and the RSI, which is the relative strength index, you can see down here is increasing. Now we're on the 4-hour chart. On the daily chart, you really can't tell as much. So I like to go down to the 4-hour, which will mean that this is more of a short-term indicator rather than a long term, but I'll show you guys later in the video why I think there's good long-term indications as well. Now, my price prediction with this setup, ideally, I would like to see it get all the way up to about 45 cents by the end of October, and that is at the top of the range. Minimally, I would like to see it get to 36 cents or 35, which is right at the top of where it hit in August. But regardless, I think anywhere between the 35 to 45 cent range is a good target for the next few months. And I am strongly encouraging you guys to buy Dogecoin now rather than when it hits 35 or 45 cents, because your average price will be a lot lower and you will be a lot happier. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not blindly follow what I say. Please inform yourself. This is just my own strategy and what I see in the charts. So don't listen to just what I say. Be smart about it. Regardless, I do like the setup. And if we can hit a price target of 45 cents, then anybody who buys now will almost see a 100% return. And ideally, when Dogecoin hits $1, if your average price is around 25 cents, then you're going to times 4 your money. Now, really, when Dogecoin hits 45 cents, I really would not encourage selling. Really, I would never encourage you to sell Dogecoin ever, because that's kind of what idiots do. But if you are going to sell at some point, you have a car payment or bills to pay, buy now, sell at 45 cents, make a nice profit, wait for it to come back down to 35 cents or 30 cents. And buy back in. But I really like how it's looking on the short term. Now, on the long term side, there was an article published today that I really liked what it had in the information. So let's dig right into it. So a lot of this information up here, you guys have already heard. So we're going to skip that and go right down here. So last month, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban claimed that Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. Now, keep in mind that the guys with billions of dollars are not really looking for short-term plays on cryptocurrency. If you got $1,000 and you're trying to make a quick buck, whatever. But these guys are looking for long-term results. So when they say things like this, keep in mind that they are looking to hold for, they're not looking a month or two ahead. They're looking a year or 10 years. So keep that in mind. You really want to follow what the big money is doing, because obviously if they have that much money, they are probably qualified to handle it and to invest it. So one of the major perks of Dogecoin is that every Dogecoin transaction consumes less than 0.016% of what it takes to send Bitcoin from one address to another. And that is because the cryptography used in Dogecoin is less complex than that of Bitcoin. And I think a lot of people already know that. It's like Dogecoin is one of the cheapest coins to send and receive. And so on a microtransaction level, as well as usability in the future, Dogecoin is definitely ranked highest, or one of the highest, for a coin that the masses would be able to use. Now, what's more than that is Dogecoin has an inflationary supply with 5 billion new Dogecoin introduced each year, which ensures that the miners can secure rewards for their role in validating transactions. Now, some people think that Dogecoin having an inflationary supply is a con and not a pro. However, if you think about just regular currency, fiat currency that we use, it is already inflationary. You know, you look at your dollars that you have in your wallet, if you have any, and those are printed every year, but we still give value to that. So it's really more of a mindset thing. If enough people give value to something, then it has value. It's pretty simple. You know, you don't really want to overcomplicate that. And this last part of the article, I highly agree with. So he says Dogecoin's biggest bullish catalyst is the reestablishment of a central development team. Notable members include the founder of Ethereum, who joined the Dogecoin's foundation, but it dissolved over the years as developers lost interest in the project. I remember seeing something like a year ago that the one developer said that he was never going to really do anything to Dogecoin again. Like whatever Dogecoin is how it's going to be. And so a lot of people did not like that. And, you know, because obviously a lot of the newer coins today have continuous developments happening to make them highly efficient or, you know, more sustainable. But basically what he's saying is that if there is a reestablishment of a development team, Dogecoin's prices are going to go through the roof because the price level right now represents that without a central development team. But regardless, you know, Dogecoin already has a multi-billion-dollar market cap without a development team. And, you know, with a community behind a coin, if there's enough people behind it, then developers would probably be more inclined to come back and, you know, improve the coin. So regardless, there is a lot of future developments that might happen. You know, some of this is speculation. But I do like Dogecoin's short-term outlook, you know, in the next month or two, as well as the outlook for the next decade, really. I think if you guys can buy and just hold, you know, or even just, you know, throw in a few $100s every week, you know, and average your cost out over weeks, you know, you will see a good return. You just got to be patient and you got to believe in what you're buying. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned something, drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll catch you guys in the next video.